Hello! In today's video, I'll show you how to disable protection in Chrome on your PC. This can be useful if you want to make certain adjustments to your browsing experience. Let's get started. Open Chrome by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once you find it, simply click to launch the browser. Look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, also known as the More button. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security section. Click on it to open the Privacy and Security settings. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find an option labeled Security. Click on it. Under the Safe Browsing section, you'll see different options for protection. To disable protection, simply select No Protection. And that's it! You've successfully disabled the protection in Chrome on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.